Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best painting supplies is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make when tackling any home improvement project. Transforming a dull room into a vibrant space or adding a fresh coat to tired furniture, and choosing the right brushes, rollers, and paints can significantly impact the final finish, making your DIY efforts look professional and last for years to come without frustrating streaks or uneven coverage. Number 5. Sensi Smart Thermostat ST55. Discover the Sensi Smart Thermostat ST55, bringing 100 years of expertise into your home. This Wi-Fi-enabled device offers modern convenience with a familiar feel. Rest assured, your personal information is protected. We are committed to never selling your data to third parties. Installing it is a breeze with the built-in level and step-by-step app instructions. It works with most home HVAC systems, often without needing a common wire. This Energy Star certified device can help you save approximately 23% on HVAC energy. Features like flexible scheduling and remote access make it easy to manage your usage. It helps monitor your HVAC system's performance and efficiency. You'll receive valuable usage reports, equipment alerts, and reminders for tasks like filter replacement. It works effortlessly with Alexa for voice control and offers a user-friendly mobile app. Its design fits perfectly into your existing space, avoiding any need for wall repairs. What we like? This smart thermostat prioritizes your privacy, ensuring your personal data is never sold. Its straightforward DIY installation means you can set it up quickly without professional help. If you value data security and want to save on energy bills with an easy-to-install device, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. MyLifeUNIT Tape and Drape Masking Film. This lightweight, tear-resistant film offers broad protection. It's perfect for automotive paint, equipment, and appliances, safeguarding them from dust and pigment. You can even use it for household painting, car covers, or as a picnic mat. Crafted from durable, environmentally friendly PE material, it boasts a 0.7 mm thickness. This high-density film is scratch-resistant and provides excellent dust protection. Its pre-taped edge makes application simple, even on walls and high surfaces. Once positioned, it easily unfolds to cover your items completely. The friction helps it cling to furniture for secure coverage. The convenient roll design allows for quick and easy unfolding. You can effortlessly cut it to custom lengths, fitting various items perfectly. This package includes 3 different sizes to suit all your needs. You'll receive rolls measuring 22-inch, 43-inch, and 59-inch, all 66 feet long. What we like? This pre-taped masking film offers versatile protection for your furniture and appliances during painting. Its high-density, tear-resistant material ensures reliable coverage against dust and pigment. If you're looking for an efficient way to protect your belongings and achieve clean paint lines, this convenient roll is perfect. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 3. 6 PCS Extendable Paint Roller Kit with Microfiber Covers. This comprehensive 6-piece kit provides everything you need for your next painting project. It includes an extendable roller and 5 microfiber covers, allowing you to tackle any surface with ease. Extend its length from 18 to 36 inches in just seconds, reaching high spots without a ladder. Adjusting it is incredibly simple, just rotate, pull, and retract to your desired length. Its 1-2-inch nap microfiber covers are designed to prevent shedding, ensuring a smooth, even finish every time. They absorb paint excellently and work with all types of paints and stains, plus they're easy to clean and reuse. Constructed from sturdy zinc-plated wire and lightweight aluminum alloy, it's built for long-term use. The soft sponge handle reduces hand fatigue and provides an anti-slip grip, making extended projects more comfortable. Experience an easier way to transform your home with this adjustable paint roller. It helps you achieve professional-looking results on walls, ceilings, floors, and various interior or exterior projects. What we like? This roller kit features an extendable frame, allowing you to reach high walls and ceilings effortlessly. The non-shedding microfiber covers ensure a smooth, even finish with all paint types. If you need to paint large areas or high spots without a ladder and desire professional, streak-free results, this adjustable roller is ideal. What people say. Number 2. PinStone 20 PCS Small Paint Roller Kit. This comprehensive 20-piece kit provides everything you need for your painting projects. It includes various roller frames, covers, brushes, and a versatile tray, making it a complete solution. Achieve professional results with its high-density foam rollers. Their unique caved-in edge design prevents paint buildup, ensuring straighter lines and a smooth, even finish every time. The non-shedding microfiber rollers absorb paint efficiently and release it quickly. This ensures a consistent application, helping you achieve beautifully even finishes without hassle. Its ultra-tough plastic tray resists corrosion and cracking, built to last through many projects. It ensures even paint application, quick cleanup, and drip-free pouring for a smoother experience. This kit also includes a premium synthetic brush for smooth, stroke-free application. Plus, the blue painter's tape provides clean lines without bleeding or residue on various surfaces. Its 4-inch and 2-inch mini rollers are ideal for smooth to semi-smooth surfaces like cabinets and doors. They offer flexibility for precise work in tight spaces, corners, and for touch-ups. What we like. This comprehensive mini roller kit is designed for detailed work and smooth finishes in tight spaces. Its unique caved-in edge foam rollers minimize paint buildup for cleaner lines. If you're tackling cabinets, trim, or touch-ups and require precision with a variety of tools, this versatile small kit is your go-to. What people say. No reviews found in the source content. Cannot meet the minimum item requirement due to empty source. Number 1. Bates 19-piece paint roller kit. Introducing the Bates 19-piece paint roller kit, your all-in-one solution for home painting projects. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for prep, painting, and cleanup, making your DIY tasks simpler. Crafted from durable materials, it features a sturdy plastic paint tray and both 9-inch and 4-inch roller frames. These come with matching microfiber sleeves, ensuring smooth and even application every time. Beyond rollers, this kit also includes a variety of brushes, like foam and angled options, for different painting needs. You'll also find painter's tape, a paint mixer, and a can opener to streamline your work. Surface preparation is a breeze with the included sanding block and 3 paint scrapers. Its diverse tools allow you to tackle walls, corners, trim, and intricate detail areas with precision. Ideal for home interiors and all your DIY painting endeavors, this kit keeps essential supplies organized. It brings convenience and efficiency to every stroke, helping you achieve professional results. What we like. This extensive 19-piece kit provides everything you need for painting, prep, and cleanup in one convenient package. It includes various roller sizes, brushes, and essential prep tools for different tasks. If you're a DIY enthusiast starting a home painting project and want a complete, ready-to-use set, this comprehensive kit offers great value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.